Hey, what's going on, Dredos? Happy Sunday to you. Happy soon-to-be weekly candle close. And happy selective altcoin pump day, right? OXT, Nano, Band, BAT, KNC, Cardano, DASH. Looking really good. There are others, but those are the ones that are performing the best today. I hope you had a great Saturday evening, good Sunday afternoon. And now we're back just to look at the things we look at every single day. And sorry about the little delay there. I got a couple new sound clips, right? I mean, so we're going to look at assets now, right? We're going to look at assets, and it's going to be like, if it's not good, chat, we're going to be...
When I was young, he told my girl cousins I would never be a varsity athlete, and frankly, that was a tremendous blow to my self-esteem.
Or.
All I know is you never had the makings of a varsity athlete.
All right, so memes have become reality. Bitcoin's flat on the day, down $60. Was up, was down. Oh my God, we were gonna go to 50K. We were like $250 away from it. You pulled back. No harm, no foul. You know what's actually happened? Very discreetly, quietly, right? Just what was once an old high. That high from August 14th is now. It's now support, right? That's all that happened, dude. So imagine holding that. What could happen if that is a successful back test? Where are we going? We're going up. But look how cool it is that the heart line of the parallel channel.
Submit.
Leprechaun. You just wanted to hear Leprechaun? Though the Leprokins, right? That's the way the TTS says it, dudes. Yeah.
Bow to your sensei.
Okay, so this might be a new routine where I put an espresso in my coffee, my Lungo coffee every day, because I was so jacked yesterday, right? During the stream, you could tell the high energy. So let's see what happens going into the new week chat, where we look at the weekly, and what's it gonna be? The highest weekly candle close since the week of May 3rd. Another, I don't know, I guess that's that's the same. There's no like, oh, it's a new weekly record. It was the same as last week, but it's still a higher high. 5 white soldiers, right? 3 white soldiers manifesting and follow through price action, 2 green bars after the Japanese candlestick 3 bar pattern, right? No overhead resistance on the weekly until 57.5. That's not new. Remember what's happening. Could it be? Oh man, we're so close. If we could just somehow pump within the next 1 hour 45 minutes, someone tell the composite operator, we get a 1 hour 45 minute pump, we could exceed 60 to close the week, and that would be legendary, right? We haven't been above 60 on the RSI since we broke below it, lo and behold, May 3rd, right? When the reversal occurred. Wow, that was when we fell below it, that bearish engulfing candle. Let's go, E-turn. What's up, dude? Rose King. Espresso Belushi. I would do it. If it hit, I would do it, okay?
At Terran tip $33.33. Espresso Belushi.
Dude, I think they're meant, like, those espressos are meant for, like, hyping up your drink, because, like, I've done, like, espressos alone, and it's, like, this much liquid. It's barely anything. So, just remember, we're about to go 60 on the RSI. We just showed positive momentum for the first time since April 12th, the week of April 12th. That is phenomenal. These are really good developments on significant time scales. Monthly, you know how good the monthly is too. We're in the bullish control zone, mid 60s. About to be 60 here. Guess what? 3-day. Okay, we're going backwards. The 3-day, where are you? 64 on the RSI. Bullish control zone. The daily. Bullish control zone. Yeah, I know. People would have concerns about a high, the higher high, and then the higher high is kind of, it's about the same. And lower levels relative strength every time. But just gotta think, like, is this the same wave that we're dealing with here? It's diverging. I mean, that's kind of undeniable that it is diverging. But though it looks like that, you gotta, how's the MACD look? The MACD doesn't look bearish at all, right? So now you have, like, you normally want the MACD histogram and the RSI to be saying the same thing at the same time. The MACD histogram screaming, oh my God, a continuation's coming. The daily MACD histogram, the weekly, RSI soon, the MACD histogram on the weekly, the monthly. They're all screaming upside. So yes, you have this lone oscillator on the daily that's kind of like, yeah, maybe impending price action reversal is being applied. It's one variable. So if you're someone who's into arguments via technical analysis, what is your other argument for why Bitcoin's going to reverse to the downside soon? Right? That's the question. And right now, the argument is stronger for bulls because of, I've already talked about it today and yesterday already. Right? The argument's stronger. This is it. This is all you have if you're bearish. One variable on one time scale. You're not going to convince a jury, right, of your peers with one variable on one time scale. Especially when everything that is surrounding this one variable is screaming bullish upside. So we'll see what happens. You know, anything's possible. All right. Remember, you know what's crazy? The Rising 3 methods is still valid because remember we talked about how does this pattern become invalid when you get a daily or you get a candle low close lower than the open of the last candle. That never happened. You closed above it. So still valid continuation and it's playing out. And that positive Momo on the daily is just beginning to build. So market participants, this is implying a lot of upside, and it could very well take you to 57.5, 58K. If you look at total, I like totals, right? We always,
I like turtles.
yes, we do. It's a beautiful channel. Just look how long we've been inside of it. We've been confined within the parameters of the two parallel trend lines that are upsloping. You look at this, man, still above 2 trillion. Everything's good, man. The target eventually 2.21 trillion, 2.3 trillion based on looking left. Okay, sweet. That's your Bitcoin deep analysis, a little bit of total. Now we're gonna go to Ethereum. What's up, Leprechaun? Let's go. Thanks, man.
Lil Hex's thanks Mitch smile.
Oh, we'll look at it, dude. You know we will, all right? What's up, Kirk B, dude?
GRT such a tease. Look, BTC pair looks strong too.
Oh yeah, no, GRT. I think we looked at it yesterday, Kirk, or maybe the day before. I know, it's been posted at your patron. There's a chart. Type in GRT to BTC and look for it by me.
Please.
We broke out. Like GRT broke out of a multi-month downtrend. What's up, Heck, dude? Spin, please. God, hey, here's the good news. I haven't drank in. This is the 9th day in a row I have not drank since that fateful last Friday that manifested into what the robe, messed up hair, Saturday stream. So, dude, I don't know, man. I'll have a lot more alcohol, but I don't know, man. Still a little skittish like a deer. Good to see you again, though, man. Have you seen these markets? What these altcoins are doing? So, all right, kind of what we talked about yesterday is like an upsloping flag after an impulse up and you're above the major inflection point. It could be a hyper bull flag. It may not, right? This could be like the other side of the coin on what the psychology could be here is that the asset is run up. It's continuing. It's upsloping because, right? There's not enough supply to push it down, but the demand might be stagnating a little bit, and market participants have not been able to achieve a value area after the run to reacquire a position, and that's like what happens. And then what can occur is you can dump from there and sell off and make mild, moderate retraces, 50%, 618s, and then market participants might get back in on this, right? Because they were late to the game, they missed it. Right, so it's like either it's hyper bull flag because there is too much demand and the asset literally can't downslope in its consolidation because there's too much demand, not enough supply. And then I just talked about the other side. No way, dude. No way. Let's go. Wow.
Crypto Fractal tipped $500. Was gonna save this for my birthday on August 24th. but I've been with you for over a year and a half now. Keep learning so much.
My man.
But now the LRC popped. What? Cheers to all
Dude,
time highs on BTC
LRC.
in the crypto market.
Good
Thanks,
God.
man.
Crypto Fractal, thanks for the $500 contribution, man. Your birthday is in 2 days. And he's been here for over a year and a half now, and he keeps learning so much. That's what it's about, man. Tendies are great, but dang, dude, investing in yourself in learning and being on that journey, right? The trader's journey, the student of the game of technical analysis that is vast and complex. It's really fun having a community of people that are everyone's all on the same journey, right? But we're at different areas of this same path, you know? And it's cool to be able to, hey, someone in this community, like they're further ahead than you, but they've left, you know, breadcrumbs, or they've left knowledge. They've experienced things, and this is what they've learned on their journey, right? I mean, it's cool. This didn't exist. I mean, this was something that I couldn't find. Not to the level of what I wanted truly, the vision, you know, of what this is. So we just kind of like made it, and this is where we are. Like, God, 3.5+ years later, man, doing this seems just like yesterday. The hype's on crypto days, man. Thank you. Seriously, that's a big deal. Okay, so Ethereum on the weekly. Well, I mean, the hidden bullish divergence has started to play out. You've really, $3,000 doesn't even exist on this chart. It's just an indecision candle. It could be considered a hanging man or a tweezer top. Ugh. So, I mean, after a month straight of buying, there could be consolidation or not, or just engulfs next week. But we know, like, on the kind of less significant time scales, there's no real resistance here. None. I mean, there is none. It's not even a deep retrace. So, just gotta think, it's all on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you know, goes to 58K, very little resistance on Bitcoin. The time scales look good. If Bitcoin's going up to 58K, you know this thing's going up to all-time highs. Yeah, I mean, it's almost certain. So it's like, if you love Ethereum, you better pray for Bitcoin, the macro, because this thing follows it. Okay, sometimes outperforms or underperforms. Okay, let's look at the third largest crypto that exists to mankind, and it's a beauty, right? You've got 1 hour 36 minutes until a confirmed daily bullish engulfing candle. Not just that, the highest candle close of all time. We're talking about really want to see this resoundingly break out. It's beginning to do that. Yes, overbought, but the first target still 286. 286, the 1.272 for the extension, the 1414307, and the 1.618337, man. Yes, it is going nuts. Look at this weekly. Gonna be the highest weekly candle close of all time. Huge impulse candles. Just now getting overbought, barely 72 on the weekly. So there's a lot more upside. Market participants wanted to push it, right? When Cardano hit its all-time high from February 22nd, it got all the way up to 95 on the RSI. So you could think in hyper bullish conditions, assets can get tremendously overbought, far greater than 72. All right, so don't just say it. Up 7.2% today, one of the big gainers. All right. So let's look at Binance. Like, we look at Binance, starting to get into this rhythm. Just looking at the big four, right? Binance Coin down 1%. That's okay, man. You know, this thing broke out. Undeniably, $430 was the breakout. Look left. Don't take my word for it. Take always the horizontal lines from history. Take their word for it, not mine. I'm just facilitating you with auditory affirmation of what's going on the charts, I guess. I don't know. Like, all right, the low from April 18th, the high from June 3rd, you're above it. Probably would backtest it. I don't know why you wouldn't backtest it. That's not occurred. So you hit multi-month highs last night, $459, highest level you had seen since, mid to late May. And Argument for bearish divergence on the 4 hours, not really there. Not really. Maybe the daily.
Have you checked lately?
What's up, Kirk, dude? Not really. We can look at it. That's dumping, right? I can imagine with these altcoins going berserk and Bitcoin doing nothing burger. Getting this espresso shot coffee in me, man. It's like my ears and my eyes are opening up more. Things are moving at a faster pace. We should look at the 1 minute chart, the way I'm feeling right now. Okay, so you understand, right? No overhead resistance where this asset currently stands until $597. The old overhead resistance was $430. You just broke it, man. So anything above 430 is really good, extremely good on Binance Coin. You look at the weekly, it's almost unbelievable how good it looks on the weekly. Like, this is like so good that, like, yeah, dude, of course, $600 is coming based on the weekly. Now, you know, Bitcoin can ruin everything, but dang, dude, look at this. You haven't seen positive momentum since the week of May 17th, and you're about to go. You're waning on negative momentum, right? The bears are tiring out finally. Bulls are taking back over, right? How are the bulls taking back over? Look at the trend. Unbelievably bullish trend forever. It's only ever made retraces, higher lows than the previous lows, and then gone again. So that's what you're doing. And the upside, on this wave structure, 88% retrace, right? High to low. The target on Binance is 639. That's the 886 right there. That's wild. Okay, because you look like standard XABCD, XA, B. Remember B, the bad action magnet move, right? Anytime an asset breaks B on the C to D wave, high probability of deep retrace. This is it, okay? The next move is 637, not even 600 there because it's like the daily candle high close and it's psychological, but this is where Binance would be going if it respects the waves. All the research Scott Carney's done. All right, that's it. You've done it. This is a big breakout happening, and it's going to be confirmed on the weekly in 1 hour and 31 minutes. Let's go Binance Coin.
Bruh.
That's it. That's your Binance. Wow. Monster. Did the analysis change? Nope. We knew all about that 430 area. Okay. So now we're going to do some... Well, no. Let's look at the notable gainers. OXT. Well, there was another one we're going to look at after this. But, dude, OXT, it's crazy. It's wild where these mini harmonics can develop. We knew, like, okay, yeah, 100% retrace, then a double bottom, higher low. We knew that's very good stuff, right? Right, when Bitcoin was making the lowest low since January 1st, OXT somehow from its previous low was making a higher low. That's good. That's a good signal. It's a good signature of accumulation. And then you rallied, and what'd you do? OXT broke above 34.7 cents last week. And look at this, or I guess this week, last week, whatever, in the past 5 days. This asset created this structure, all right? It was so real. It's like, dang, man, that's a freaking shark pattern right there. Above the inflection point. A spring back test of spring? No way. No way. And I'm talking like, this is OXT. This is how it started, right? And this is how it's going. You can identify sometimes they don't play out like this, but this time it did. It went nuts. It reacted and reversed at the same time, and off the pattern completion zone of that mini shark, it got as high as in 4 days up 50%. Nowhere in the world
You're not just a
can you
facility,
find gains
but a
like that
conduit through
anywhere.
which the chart
No
speaks
market's
to us,
ever been
until
like
we
this.
can have the insight and experience to commune with the chart.
Conduit, that's a good word, yeah. Oh, yes.
Is that a joint?
The chart gods, man, yes. Deposit operator, all right. So high volume, nice move, and you knew if you have anything above 34.7 cents was what? Well, they're pictured on your screen, the lines, 53.7 to 56 cents. That's it up there, Larry. That's where it's still that's still the target, and nothing's changed. So TA is being uber respected on OXT. Nice job. Now there was another that was ludicrous, and it's called Loopring, LRC, right? This is like the stuff, it's whack-a-mole, man. It could happen to any altcoin at any time now. Right? It's not like this is any different. Okay, LRC is no different than GRT, no different than CVC or Rose or, I don't know, man, not really Binance. Dash, it's no different than, God, hold on. It's no different than Litecoin, no different than Tron or Doge or YFI. It's just the one that caught the bids, man, right? It's not like this wasn't identified like everything else, right? Look, how it started for LRC. How it started, identified, it's there, it's the confirmation low, it's like everything else. And then what happened? Moon. This is where, like, eventually all these altcoins are going to do the same thing, just not at the same pace. You can't like predict the pace at which an asset will do this, but eventually it's going to the targets where we're thinking most of these altcoins are going to go. Okay, so this is just a front runner now. Let's pay attention. This is why it's like, if you're in market conditions where, you know, it's advantageous to be long because of like huge M-shaped formations, it's always important and maybe a wise idea to not just be in on one alt. One could own 4 to 7 different altcoins because they all look so similar, but you don't know which one's going to outperform. Not really. I mean, maybe the higher low ones are going to outperform, but like this one made the same low kind of, and it's moved.
0.0308. But wondering if you see any further.
Okay, Envy, thanks for 20 dude shirt. If you think I'm jacked on espresso, try playing me at 2 times speed. Yeah. All right. So what a legendary pump. 62.9 cents was gonna be the target. It almost hit it. It hit 60.6 cents. So what else pumped? Nano, it's up 21%. My God. And it's at an inflection point. If it breaks this, oh God, it could go nuts again. I mean, we're talking if Nano breaks 746, 890 would be the target. Wow, in the end, dang, man. I mean, it's a spring back test. Look at that. The old inflection point, I haven't touched this, man. This trend line's been here. It was a support. You dumped, you rallied, you sprung, you back tested the spring, and then you're pumped, right? And now you're trying to break another inflection point. Wow, beautiful, dude. Band. Oh, dude, you want to talk about technical analysis beauty? This is why you're here, man. This is like what you're learning. This is why you invest in yourself every day, right? Because this asset did something magical, or it's exactly what we're looking for low risk, high reward opportunities, right? So you've got like an inflection point that goes all the way back to September last year, but it's just like countless times it's been a support or resistance or support or support or resistance. And then recently, you back tested it as support, you rallied, oh my God, that might be it. Nope, you had to sell off one more time with Bitcoin, and you had to confirm that the breakout was real. Market participants needed confirmation on band, it seems, and they got it, and you pumped, and now you have truly broken out above 964, 965, which is another inflection point that goes all the way back to this wick low from August 21st. And it's really not as strong as 762. 762 was everything, man. Like, the major next resistance is up at like $14 to $15, man. So, you know, I'll see it probably at 1150. 1150 is the next target, okay? That's probably where it's going to run. It's up 12.5%. Very nice. You know, you need Bitcoin to continue for these altcoins. You need Bitcoin to just go sideways, do what it's doing. These altcoins are just going to keep running, man. Okay? Good God. I mean, like, okay, is the music like literally inaudible now? Okay. People crying about it. So band was good. Another one was BAT, basic attention token. Come on, man. Spring back test to spring, 64.7 cents. That was a strategic entry, or, you know, the low from August 12th. And then you got a double bottom there with hidden bullish divergence, and you've run. And now you're running up to what? The next resistance, which is 89.6 cents. This goes back to, oh man, this is a daily candle high close. Yeah, wait, I'm on the 108. Was it? No, okay, it is the daily candle close. Hey, thanks for the 4.75 BAT, whoever you were, Unsung Hero. Oh, it's a little off, hold on. Right there, that candle high close from 2018, January 9th, 2018. You're below it, but if you can break it, man, 108 would be the target. This is a huge, oh, okay. So it's not just the candle high close from 2018. Look how the price action correlates to it years later, right? Look at March 10th. Oh, it was tough. You pulled back before breaking it, and you went nuts after that. Look, it's been support before a couple times. Then it was resistance in May a couple times. But now here we are. Momentum is shifting back to bullish territory, you think, after a deep retrace. If this breaks, man, you just can't be surprised if from the breakout the asset appreciates in value another 23%
Thanks
roughly.
For the Paul. Good vibes.
What's up, Stephen M?
Bruh.
Thanks for the threes. Thank you, dude. Okay, so yeah, 108. If you ever break 108, it's like, you know, that was the old all-time high. You have to be. These were probably plotted on the 4-hour. That daily candle high close would be 123. Then after that would be 142. All right. All right, also another major development on basic attention token is if in 1 hour and 21 minutes all stayed the same, this would be closing back above the 200-day moving average for the first time since June 9th. This is a huge deal. These are things that have to happen if you want the short midterm trends to reverse to the upside. Assets get back above the slow moving average and they stay above them, and then they start regarding them as support, right? You need whatever is happening today, you need that to happen. Positive momentum's just begun to build. It could keep building, man, and make a huge histogram island on much higher prices.
Just like my run after catch Saturday evening. Respect to TA.
So Najee, dude, yeah, that's right, dude. Run after catch. How many yards you got? Or run after contact, right? Okay, so that's your BAT. On the cusp of another major markup. And remember, we use Fibonacci from the high point to the low point of the correction.
Respect, man.
Just tested the 38% retrace at the highest point today, right? You're now hitting the moderate retrace levels, right? That's the first one. 50% after that, 618 after that. 618 is confluent with 123. I think if you break 88 cents, you're probably going up to 123. Okay, this is awesome, man. Good to see altcoins respecting the TA and running. Next asset that was notable, KNC. Chat, there's something spectacular occurring right now. This is not a joke. This is very real. KNC on the daily is attempting a breakout, a real breakout. Candle close in 1 hour 19 minutes would confirm it. The major high from July 4th and August 15th of 2020. This is an area we've been eyeballing forever on this one. If you ever broke that, most likely you're going up to 278. There's so much more upside. Even though this asset is hitting multiple targets, right? What do you do? Like, I remember like the trade setup on Dash before the insane run on all the coins and Bitcoin, right? It was like just beginning to hyper accelerate as it was hitting the third take profit level. And once it hit the third take profit level at a major inflection point, hit from history, it was crazy. It should have been an area where maybe there'd be a pullback. It just snapped it and just like doubled up or more. So I mean that can happen, right? You're being conservative, right? You have your traditional targets.
0.05504285 LTC.
1 million token. Thanks for the 10, dude. I will do everything I can to just do what I'm doing. All right. I don't know if it's good. It was never about being good. It was just about doing what I love and having a community of people to hang out with while I'm doing it. Right? Wow, it's crazy. So, what was I going to say? Where were we? Dang it. I just derailed my train of thought. Man, I had something real good coming up in my mind, in my brain. What were we talking about just before that tip, someone? God. Ooh, full blue moon tonight? Oh, something about Dash, but oh yeah. So like, okay, thank you. Now I'm back. All right, so it's like, remember we talk about the trade is the chapter in the book, right? We know the book's bullish, so the chapter's gonna be bullish too. And so you can end the chapter in the book, right? Because the trade completes, hits the targets that are reasonable. Because you don't know the book's gonna continue on insanely to the upside. It could reverse there. It could be over. We don't know. So we have to set, reasonable expectations, or no expectations, but reasonable targets that are, that make sense with strategy, taking an entry on an ice line on a back test, at 130, and now it's at 215, approaching the third target of the trade setup. It's like, dang man, do you completely exit, or do you improvise, based on what Bitcoin's doing on the weekly, and say, instead of completely exiting, maybe I'll only take, half of like the position I had left, which would have been like 33% of the original position, and half of that I'll take it off, and I'll let the rest ride, and I'll just have a moon bag, right? That's a way that one could like ride these out, because they can go insane, but not always, man. Sometimes they're just gonna they'll triple up from the third target of the trade setup, but then sometimes they'll hit the third target of the trade setup and violently reverse, and we'll never see those levels again. So it's like, yeah, okay. Oh no, the stream's not lagging on my side, or it might sounds like a personal problem, dude. Okay, so you are breaking the major inflection point. That's a colossal breakout in my opinion, but you are approaching the 200-day moving average. You have not even tested it or touched it since the date of June 17th, so that will be some sort of minor support resistance. Great demand line. You look at the 4-hour on this, it's just beautiful, dude. It's like what it fell below, right? It did fall below the demand line once and rallied back above it, held, then engulfed, and it's just going. Phenomenal, man. Performance has been really good. Dash, next one. The Dash, right? Hey, remember that like really strong, I don't know, it just looked like strong consolidation after a markup at an inflection point, and once you broke 211, you've just been gone, man. You're at multi-month highest levels Dash has seen since May 19th, and it could keep going, man. $280 is the target. There's nothing here until 280. But it obviously is an area to be taking action on. Like along right now, what an uptrend, what a move. And it all started with a falling wedge breakout, the double bottom, right? The XABCD, like everything else. Oh, and don't you remember when we were live and it was like, yeah, Dash broke the wedge and it's testing an inflection point as support. You remember that. You could go back to the freaking date of the stream, July 21st to July 26th, to find that. The evidence of it looking really good here. And now look at it. Since then, right? Since the breakout, since the successful back test of the ice line, the asset Dash has increased in value 90% in 31 days. Let's go, crypto chat. Life-changing opportunity in this market. It really is. You can't get gains like this anywhere else. Nowhere, dude. It's a trader's market, so you get all these gains, man. You gotta understand profit must be taken, because these assets, what do? They have their insane trades, run-ups, markups, and eventually it all ends and resets occur and it loses 88 to 90% of its value before it goes again. So profit taking is important. Okay, nice one, Dash.
Hey Mitch, please chart me up on Tau. Bless. I'm thinking of FOMO, right?
What's up, dude?
No lag. Just like my skill setting data's run.
Dude, for real. Cardano. Well, dude, are you kidding me? You can't say that, Najee. Cardano was like You know how many jokes and memes people were making? Okay, Cardano's a new stable coin, man. $1 forever. If you were here, it was definitely made fun of a lot. Not by me, but the consensus from everyone, because a lot of people own Cardano, but it was doing nothing for too long. Right, chat? Back me up on that. There was definitely a pause. Anyway, that's another gainer. Then you got IOTA that's up 8% roughly, really trying to buck some sort of lower high double top or something. What a shark pattern. Good God, beautiful shark pattern. And you're just at levels, you're at resistance points from history. There's a few of them, right? Yeah, like you're just trying to get through them. Like you got one from July 2018, you got another one from another time, early July 2018. Once you break 121, that's it, chat. That's kind of like, bye. We're gonna go straight up, straight down, because every time in history you've broken that level, you've pretty much done that. I don't know, man. You're probably gonna have to be prudent and understand that 148 might act as a resistance, or 156. This one's kind of been all over the place. So, what a nice run. It's up 8%. Meh, no action to take. Just looking at it, there was some hidden bullish divergence that's starting to play out, but it needs to retake the high. It needs to recapture the high it made August 16th, or recapture levels. I don't do predictions. Chug nug. I don't do predictions, man. All I do is present arguments with technical analysis that is traditional. It's from traditional markets like stocks and Forex. It's where all the research was done. This is a new world we live in, crypto. It's like where the traditional technical analysis oftentimes works, but sometimes the targeting's tricky, right? It's really hard calling tops in crypto when they're going, man. Like, oh, 3 traditional targets, and what a joke, right? Because it just quintupled in value beyond the third target. It happens. And so it's like, there's no books that have been written on crypto trading yet, like swing trading like this. Not yet, man. Well, chug nug, man, I'm not trying to be weird, but I'm trying to make it pretty clear. Like, it's just a thing. It's like a normal thing that's going on right now. What is that? Oh, yeah, GRT doing that? Yeah, a little bull flag. Yeah, man, GRT got a little bull flag. It was a request, too, so we'll look at it. But all right, man, having an alert set up above 121 could go a lot higher on IOTA.
I want to get in on Avalanche, but where do you think it's the right place to get in?
If that's an S coin, dude, I've never heard of.
367 LTC.
Then it was like 3 weeks to 4 weeks ago now. Like everything else that were showing an edge, a confirmation low at a PCZ of a harmonic, this 160, 70 days long, large, whatever. Those were the times to be getting in crypto. Now it's like you should be up substantially on all your positions now. Right, but that's it. I mean, like, you got to be here 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago when we were talking about it. So it's like really big red flag there that no one has ever mentioned or requested Avalanche until today, chat. So it's like, almost everything under the sun's been requested in the past month, right? Everything. I've got a chart almost of everything except Avalanche. Anyway, so let's get into, ONT is doing okay. ICX, yeah, his trade setup looks great. Had its fun a couple days ago. What's that first request today? It's HEX. It's HEX, dude.
Could you please check it's used? Thanks.
Oh, is it ACH?
41105 BTC.
Dude, it's me. Dude, Mitch Ray, thanks so much for the 2020 worth of Bitcoin, dude. Chat, I'm tipping myself, man. Thanks myself. All right, yeah, we'll put it on the list. All right, HEX is up. Hear that? The train's coming, chat. Well, it couldn't do it, could it? It looked so pretty, but then it double topped. Ooh, you do not want to break 17 cents, man. You don't want to do that. Don't do this. HEX, unable to get prices above 20 cents. One top, sell off. I thought it was like a kind of a bull flag, and then rallied and said, nope, I'm gonna confirm a top up here and sell off again. So be careful. You don't want to see this asset fall below 17 cents. Otherwise, it's coming right back down to 15.6 cents most likely. So just pay attention to that. What's up, Georgetown Felix? Sup, swing man. Thanks for everything. Really appreciate your insights. I've learned so much. Going to put this right above my battle station. Excited to get these in the mail. Thanks, Georgetown, man.
Bruh.
Enjoy it. It's really high quality stuff. Wayne Batson is the man. Bitcoin is $49,200 and rallying right now, chat. Hey, this is the pump we need if we want to get a weekly RSI close above 60. This is what we need right here, chat. So keep it pumping for the next hour. No, we can have a pump stream, dude. What's wrong? Nothing wrong with that. Pump stream with the espresso and the coffee. Let's go. And thanks for the 1,000 people tuned in. If you're enjoying this altcoin bonanza, hit that like button, that bell, that stuff. Thanks for being here. All right, okay, let's go. A turn, espresso Belushi, get wrecked, man, because I would have done it. All right, I'll do it. We can do the wheel spin for an espresso shot, man. Why we gotta do it for alcohol, man? All right, GRT next request. GRT, man, nothing to worry about. Oh, looks great.
Okay, I'll look to the moon.
What's up, Samir? Thanks to 20 to sure. Well, Anchor was looking kind of right? It looked like a right-angled and ascending broadening formation. It didn't look that great locally. But, you know, whatever. Number go up, right? Thanks, dude. Okay, so GRT, yeah, it did look. That's some strong, high and tight bull flag action, maybe. All right, and you did break out. That is broken, I think, now. Kind of like this. It's pretty nice, man. Bull pole, bull flag, breaking out. But the thing is, you're contained within the parameters of the broadening top pattern still, and that supply line has been respected again and probably will be tested once more, but that means a lot higher prices. That means GRT could be running up to $1.12. We know looking left, there's nothing here, dude, besides the local resistance. Look left, man, go to the daily. Take out all the noise. There's nothing here. You're about to, in 1 hour and 6 minutes, a bullish engulfing candle will be confirmed. Also, the highest candle close on the daily since May 18th. That will be confirmed. And again, there's nothing here of any significance until 133, 150. That's it. And those aren't even overhead resistances, right? The overhead resistance is like 169. All right, some of y'all's favorite numbers up there. So just like understand, people are like, GRT is the new stable coin. What's going on with GRT? I can't believe GRT is not doing anything. But you're up like 40% to 50% on the trade so far, and what are you worried about? Dude, it's like I gotta play it.
You worry too much. Everything is beautiful. There's nothing to worry about.
Okay, we're good. Target's still intact. This could go way higher than the targets too. But this was more of a position trade, right? It's just kind of like, we chose this one. It looked great. It had not gone insane yet. It was butting up against resistance. It was making higher lows. We were just below that. Seemed strategic. It was holding a little mini demand line on the 4 hour. It was good. Yeah, let's do it. I've never done an espresso shot before, all right? I've taken sips of it. I've never been like, okay, let's go. Nope, no chug or no espresso shot. Bitcoin has certainly, it seems, in the past hour since I went live, has taken its own espresso shot at $49,286 right there, highest level as I'm speaking to you. Let's go to it real quick. But GRT, this is a request. What did you ask? Oh yeah, he said the GRT. Yeah, let's just look at it so you can see how incredible this is, man. Holy crap. Look at all that freaking breakout. The target, 2470 Satoshis or whatever that is, okay? It's broken out. Dude, it goes all the way back to the first anchor points like February 22nd. 1 touch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kind of 7 touches on that supply line. Broken, man. I must break you. It happened. So this is like implying, okay, it could. And where did the lowest low go? It touched the 88% retrace. Everything that you've been taught, it's doing, and it's brilliant. So there's still tremendous upside on the BTC pair, and that just reinforces your confidence in the GRT to US dollar trade, right? Okay, that's that's what he was saying. All right. Heck, what's up, dude? I'll spin for you for espresso shot. Don't be offended, man. Okay. So we looked at Loopring, Crypto Fractal. Thanks again for the $500. Oh my God. Kirk wants to look at Bitcoin dominance. You can see this looks like crap. Well, it's not too bad. It broke that demand line. Hey, look what it's doing. Whoa, chat. Whoa. Back testing and somewhat of an inflection point. 44%. It's there. It's there, man. It was close to divergence, but it's not. It's not bullish divergence, but it's losing the negative momentum on the daily. If this holds here, there could be a big rally. You could see Bitcoin. Hey, think about it. If Bitcoin's it's bullishly consolidating right here. Couldn't we see, and it's at an inflection point, right, back from May of 2018. Isn't it possible that we could see that happen next? It's looking like it's pivoting right now. So Bitcoin begins to outperform altcoins again. It takes over as the altcoins just ran like crazy. It's possible. Okay. Here you go, Kirk, man. All right, the next one was Tell. Hey, look at totals, man. I like totals right now. Looking real good. Really, really strong. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Tell looks insane. It looked great. It was beautiful, man. It was like, look how it held that 200-day moving average, right? Like basic attention tokens breaching this same 200-day moving average today, like for the first time, right? So this is above it, bouncing off of it. Really nice bounce right here. August 19th. And now trying to breach levels. What levels, though? On the daily. That's not even visible on the daily. It's definitely breaking out. There's no overhead resistance on this asset. Dude, there's no overhead resistance on this asset till 3.1 cents. TEL, that's probably the target. Look left. I mean, like it broke this candle low close from May 23rd that's plotted. And it's been testing it. It tested as resistance, but now you broke it. And again, 3.1 cents is the target. Above that's probably 3.8 cents. The May and June highs. That's it. I wish there was more to talk about. Momo shifted. Yeah, looks like it. Momo is shifting. I think it probably broke a supply line too. Right? Look at that. Yeah, it broke out, man. It's breaking levels, breakouts occurring. It's up 21.5% today. Nice. Real nice, dude. Nothing actionable right now. Right? It's up 21.5%, so not a time to be taking along now. Congratulations if you're in it, though, right now. Okay. Total. Let's go, Total. It's pumping, man. It's at its highest level in this 4-hour candle, 1 hour in it. 15 seconds till the close. Next request, we might be done. No, we're not. Avalanche, dude. Avalanche. It's actually a crypto. AVAX. Oh, I've heard of that. I didn't know it was called Avalanche, dude. My bad. There's nothing to do here. It's like gone up every single day almost. I mean, what do you do? There's like no action to take. It has pumped. It made its highest daily candle close of all time yesterday. Today it's going again for the same record. Look how once it broke that one level of inflection at $20, it went straight up, doubled in value, and is now over doubled in value. So all I can do for you on AVAX, which is called Avalanche, is Fibonacci from your high to the lowest point after that, and your target would be $54 if it was going to keep going. $54, $59, then your 1.618 is $66 up there. That's all you can do. There's nothing here. right? There's no value. It's extreme premium. The asset has appreciated in value. Let's say it's just where it is right now. In 32 days, in 1 month, 1 day, 371.83% appreciation in value. That is insane. Can't happen anywhere else. This is the only market that this stuff exists. Okay, life-changing. Can be life-changing. Can also dump like this too and be life-changing in a negative way. So that's why it's very important to understand technical analysis, critical supports, resistances, and protect the stop losses. There's more data. 66 is the all-time high. Okay, well, it's the all-time high on this chart. Let me see if I can find another. Oh yeah, why did I not do that? Huh? Yeah, you're right. No, all here it's 60. Like on, but look, what did it do? Come on, man. Like for real, like you can't be surprised. It's the same picture as everything else, right? The same picture, man. Actually, I would have to use that one. I actually have to use this swing low right there. It's a little too deep. But like 88% retrace, man. 886. It's like literally to the T, reversed at the deepest retrace. That's it. It's literally perfect. Wow. Hit C, and your after C is A. Right, those are your targets, aggressive targeting. So, yeah, all-time high is $60, I guess, on this chart. And then 54.70 is the candle high close. So number go up, straight line, crazy volume. But it's no different than any other coin in terms of their technical structures that developed over 160, 170 days. Same thing. It just outperformed, and you just don't know which ones are going to outperform. It looked identical to everything else before it really started accelerating the past week. All right? It's a legit coin. Great use case. That doesn't necessarily mean it should pump in value. It's all speculative, momentum driven. And the sentiment has to be there too. Okay, that was your Avalanche. Now we'll look at something that sounds like it might be Avalanche, but it's not. It's ACH. Oh boy. Is there more data? Yeah, there's more. Okay, I mean, here's your alchemy pay. Hidden bullish divergence is developing, I guess. Yeah, for sure. Hidden divergence. And then that's what you're doing, right? The highest daily candle close of all time, August 6th, 11.8 cents, is being regarded as resistance yesterday and today. Don't tweezer top here, man. Don't tweezer top here. You got to break 11.8 cents if you want to see moon. And you're close. Oh my God, dude. People are being loud outside. Okay. Dude, I mean, like on an asset like this that went straight line up, sell off, it's attempting a rally. It could continue to attempt its rally. There's no action to take right now. There's not like, oh, great time to long. It's perfect area to go long. No, it's not really. You know, just in the past 5 days, it's up almost 80%. Like, what do you do? Like, it's just not actionable. All right. Is this thing on? Is this thing on, chat? Okay, Samir. It's your turn. Look at the target on ACH. If it breaks this, it could go all the way up to 19 cents again. Well, I mean, it's kind of on the 4 hour, you know, it's kind of, but on the daily, look how it's just holding above that 200 moving average. Some moving average beautifully. I mean, it's at a level, you know, it made a deep retrace, but not as deep as most. It was like a 786 or maybe not even a 78% retrace. So outperformer and a higher low on July 21st. If you can hold this, I mean, I think the targets, no matter what's happening locally, it was always going to be above 8.3 cents. It was going to be 11.4 to 12.4 cents. That was going to be it. It's not there yet. It almost got there. So you think you just got to stick with that? I mean, this is what I was talking about. Oh, okay. Maybe it wasn't this. It looked like, oh yeah, some downside consolidation. It had an upthrust. And it's still confined within that. Was this not the one? Maybe it was another chart I looked at, but I began to look at it like, you know, you have this horizontal line support, and then you have like, you know, upsloping resistance. It's not quite perfect or anything, but that's kind of just looks like it's range bound maybe, right? I don't think there's anything actionable about it. I mean, dude, it's hard to take action on anything in this market right now because there was a time, and we were here screaming about it, talking about it every day, and it's like everything's playing out. The TA is being so well respected, it's beautiful, but like people coming in now late to the game, being wanting to, you know, take longs in crypto, it's like you have missed the good levels where it's reasonable and a great area to strategize. Now we're looking at assets that have all gone up like 100+% since the bottom, and anything that's done that, it's just really tough. Oh my god, dude, what the? Dude, I gotta get contractor to nail this thing in. That's this little backboard on my desk. It's obnoxious, man.
Noise!
Austin Lee tipped $24.62. When are you coming out with some turtle merch? Also, can we look at spot? You the best, Mitch.
Turtle merch.
Much love. 0.000500000 BTC.
I don't know, man. I'd never even thought about turtle merch. Okay. Contractor, yeah, Crypto Dinero. I don't do that. I'm not touching anything. Anyway. Okay. Turtle merch. Okay. I'll think about it, man. And then I could like stream as a turtle. You know, with the turtle filter, I'm sure. Or I could dress up like that. That's kind of like the Turtles guy. He's kind of like the guy from Cobra Kai, or like way back, you know, the Halloween. What's up, David's Wallet? Las Vegas Sands.
David's Wallet
I don't know if you want to see Las Vegas Sands.
$24.24. Yo, Mitch, happy weekly close. Can you take a look at LVS, please?
Oh yeah, there's a turtle. I don't know if there is, man. I have to test it. Yeah. Oh, so listen to this. I thought I was gonna be getting my green screen today, and you know what it says on Amazon? Your package may be delayed. We're working to get your package back on track. Please check back later for more delivery info from USPS. Was expected today. They don't want a spaceship stream chat or any other thing with a green screen. Delivery delay. What a joke, dude. What's up, two Rolexes?
2 Rolexes tipped $25. Hey Mitch, you say very few alts are actionable. I agree. With one exception. XRP is ready to moon. Rocket.
Well, I mean, like XRP had reasonable levels. It's far off those reasonable levels.
Rocket, and not broken out yet. Can you confirm your TA to confirm? Cheers, bro. Cool face.
I think you do.
TM Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Is that a joint?
Yeah, dude, is that a turtle joint, man? Thanks the turtles, mate. Thanks, Batson, man. Alright, so Anchor, though it could go, you know, much higher, if you're in between two inflection points, the dead middle, like literally if there was a heart line here, you'd be at it, right? Between 8 cents and 11 to 12 cents. Like, what do? Dead middle, it's kind of like nothing. You just got to move on. Be like, hey, great stuff, though. The target still is 11.5 to 12 cents, but it's not something where one's going long literally right now, because it doesn't make any sense strategically anyway. But I'm in it for the technology, man. Okay. Spot, you say? Oh, wow. Holy crap. I can't believe it bounced like that. I guess I can. We're looking at this on Patreon now, right? Spot, that it was all but over for Spot, but it hit the 113% retrace and literally reacted there. I didn't even check it on Friday. What? Oh, it's not even a shark, dude. It's a nothing. It's literally nothing. It's a lower high on C, but it was that fateful 113, right? 1/4 of the reciprocal of the 1.618, the 113. So nice reaction. You got a gap though, and you need this asset to get back above 220 and then back test it and hold it as support. Then we're talking. Dang, dude. This thing was, look how close it got to the old all-time high from July 2018. It got so close and bounced. But that's like the macro bounce pretty freaking hard on Friday. Oh, hey, Bitcoin, $49,420.
Is that a joint?
We're getting near session highs today, chat. This is the pump we need for the weekly close, the RSI over 60. We got to get it, chat, so we need some
Hype in the chat! Look here! Look, listen!
Let's go. You understand how important this is when the weekly gets above 60, then all of a sudden it's the daily, the 3-day, the weekly, and the monthly all at the same time. We're in the bullish control zone again. Holy crap. This isn't a joke. This is not a drill either. This is real life. Beeler. 4 Rolexes and 3 Omegas. Hey, my dad's got a couple Omegas, man.
3 Omegas tip $25. No one cares about let's look at a real asset, Mitch. You too smile.
All right, we'll look at, so it's a wild card. Yeah, a wild asset for me to look at. That's happened before. People have done that. Thank you. Feel free to send one my way. I don't have a luxury watch. That's just part of the world I've not gotten into yet. You know, I haven't even gotten a luxury car yet. I've only gotten the luxury real estate. That's it so far. That's pretty modest. That's a lot of that's expensive, dude. I mean, I was looking at Rolex prices, dude. It's like, oh yeah, no big deal. You know, for the good ones, it's like minimum 30K, right? 28K. I don't know how, like, I don't know if it matters how much money I have. Like, that still to me is obscene, insane, dude. Like, no amount of money in my bank account or in my net worth is gonna make me be like, oh, 30K is no big deal for a freaking piece of metal that will sit on my hand.
PayPal launches its cryptocurrency service in the UK.
Dang, man. Oh my, is that why this is happening? Is that why this pump's happening, or is it just, when did this happen? Chat, let's go. What happened? No, you're right. Rolexes are better than cash. I agree. Anything's better than cash, right? Toilet paper's better than cash because I can use it to do things, right? That's serious. Is we got any kind of confirmation or source on that? 12 minutes ago it was announced. That's it. That was it. Chat, you understand? Not too far off from 1 year ago, we had similar to almost exact news-driven catalyst. The date was October 9th or October 12th or something like that. That's when PayPal announced complete adoption of crypto on their platform. And here we are, maybe 11 months, 10 and a half months later. We got now being released in Europe. That's big. That's new. That's enough of a catalyst to get things going, dude. I'm not kidding.
You will be able to wear Viking helmed inside and stream smile. HBAR please XTD.
What's up, Sulta? Viking helmet inside. Yeah, I don't know, an SUV. I don't know, man. What vehicle I would want? You know, the car I have is it's a BMW 535i. Not many miles on it. It's modest. It's what I had before my life changed insanely, right? And it reminds me of where I came from, I was, right? Before all this dream came to be. So, but it's not flashy. It's just luxury. It's not like, whoa, oh my God. You know, you don't double take look at that. So. Anyway, spot, it's all about 220. You break it, you back test it, you hold it, and there could be tremendous upside on the asset. But this is not a breakaway gap at all. This gap will fill probably, and you might get yourself a reaction reversal at the 113% reacher. So I don't know. You just gotta be careful because, like, if you're truly identifying Harmonics. This is a crab. This is a bullish crab pattern, and the target is like 169 at much, much lower prices. Just understand, right? It's X, A, B, C, D. A 45% retrace on being a lower high is a crab, undeniably. And there is no zone. It is one level, and it's 169. So just pay, yeah, you're gonna go up and down, you know, in the wave, but it'll probably make a lower high than previous highs and dump again, unless 220 gets broken and back tested, and then you start running. Okay, anyway. Move along, sir. What was the next request? Oh, Las Vegas Sands, man. Oh, dude, it's disgusting. It's so bad. It's like, but same time, it's like, okay, it's getting to those deep retraces. It exceeded a 786. We know it's not a cipher. So is it a bat? Dude, it's right at the pattern completion zone of the beginning of the bat, right? The bat, or not the bat, the shark. My bad, dude. Sorry, I'm thinking high or low, right? 88% retrace. The beginning of the shark. This is where it could react, but there's no confirmation. It could be diverging a little bit. What's up, Liquidated Man? Alright, so we understand about this. You react, make a lower high, you could eventually go all the way down to the 113% retrace if things aren't good. And the macro doesn't look good. I mean, like, oh, we're good, shutting down everywhere.
$32.26.
Delta variant, Lambda variant.
Get yourself a Patek Philippe or an AP. You deserve it. 0.01000000 ETH.
Yeah, Pateks, man. Those are good watches. But I mean, like, how could it, is it better than an Omega or is it better than a Rolex? I don't know about that. I don't know, like, you know, and Rolex is like the whole name brand. I know Patek's a big name brand too, but like, you know, everyone, including even burgers, right? All the burgers know what a Rolex is. Most burgers don't know what a Patek is. So, you know, anyway. So like, yeah, it could go to 113% retrace if conditions deteriorate too much for travel and leisure, which is, right, look at that, man. That is where you're at. You're at this low point from March of 2011, man. Not a good investment, right? I mean, unless you took profit. Look at this, though. I mean, this is why I love Las Vegas Sands. This is like, you can't make this up. This was a bullish Gartley pattern that the literal day that the coronavirus news broke, it hit the pattern completion zone, reacted, and that was it. And then it crashed. So you're just, look at these. This is a beautiful, like, look at these M shapes and W shapes. So it's either here you catch your reaction. That's a pretty strong argument for an 886 reaction because you have the inflection point looking left at this PCZ.
The Citadel and when we presented it on stream. I remember.
Yeah. Bake is good, Webby, man.
Is that a joint?
Thank you, dude. Are you talking about the first time, before now, or are you talking like earlier in the year, or are you talking about recently, Webby, man? Thank you, dude. Gold-plated casino calculator watch? Yeah, dude. Rolex should do that. They should come out with calculator watches plated in like actual golds. So maybe this is all I can do is present to you and show you the real pattern, and it's an 886. You're at it. You're probably gonna react here at $36, but it's tough, man. This sector is so fragile right now, very fragile. So they're better, you know, probably better sectors or subsectors to be in than casinos, entertainment, you know. Anyway, next one was HBAR, I think. Hold on. No, XRP. XRP is next. Yes, XRP is next. Which again, two Rolexes was talking about. Everything. There's not much opportunity. It's not. There's not much opportunity. It's just like you. This asset we've already identified it, man. The breakout in the back test. Like, yeah, anything above 106 could be insanely nice. You could see 165 above 106, but it's struggling a little bit. Bitcoin though, It's taken back over. Bitcoin dominance hitting that support. This is where the Bitcoin dominance could see a major markup, and that means Bitcoin's going to begin to outperform everything once more. And this is what's going to fit. This is where we're going to $50,000, and maybe 58,000, 57.5. So yeah, it's not like necessarily the area was identified. You just go to July 22nd stream and you look for XRP. It's like, here we are. It's the same picture, except the asset has appreciated in value like 150% in a month, right? Since this was all here and identified. The bullish Cartley, the double bottom, the bullish divergence, amen. So yeah, if you're above 106, yeah, probably 165 eventually. $1.65, not 165, not 589, no. $1.65 would probably be where you're going if this is a true back test. It was nice because there was hidden bullish divergence here, right? Wasn't there? Yes. There was hidden bullish divergence even identified right here. So you want to see it recapture this 133 level because you don't want to make a lower high here. Okay. That's your XRP. 150, but really 165. Looks like a dragon. Nah, I mean, like, we don't know yet. I don't think there's a discernible head of the dragon, really. What's up, Alex Alexander?
Alex Alexander super chatted $37.90. Can you look at McAfee's WACK coin? The chart is inverted and paired to 1 ETH.
Yes. Thank you for the $37.90 super chat, man. Thank you. Oh, it's my turn now. What's up next? My choice, my pick. Let me see here. Let me think here. What do I want to look at? I want to look at Southern company, utility companies, right? Really strong. They're defensive, right? Everyone's got to use them all the time. You don't have to worry. You're not worried about utilities. I mean, oh my God, COVID. People are gonna use their utilities, right? Their power. So Southern Company on Friday hit a multi-month high, highest level since March, like a year and a half, man. 1 year and a half highs, and soon probably gonna run to $71. But we knew above. This is identified around the $61 mark because it was so incredible of a demand line and a congestionary looking left. And this thing's probably gonna run to $71 and maybe beyond. It could go to all-time highs. A lot of utility companies looking like this, and they're great to hold in your account. They pay nice dividends. Not financial advice, but dude, they're in really good uptrends right now.
Hey Mitch, can you check MATIC US?
And you don't have to lose sleep on them because they're just gonna constantly be making money, man. What's up, MATIC Z? MATIC Z? We got 35 minutes and change until the weekly and daily candle close. Hit that like button, the bell, the sub if you're enjoying the content. Appreciate it. Thank you. So that was the wild card, I guess, you know. Sorry for Rolexies. Maybe, you know. Oh, you know what we'll do? We'll do this too, all right? He was probably like, man, I wanted to see a crypto. All right, we'll look at one crypto, all right, chat? One equity and then one wild equity, one wild crypto, and we'll go with YFII. That is still contained within the parameters of this really interesting bull flag. I mean, hey, it may fail, dude, but this thing, phase E of Wyckoff accumulation, phase E, you're at the last points of supply. That's it. You're back testing the top of the range from history from September of last year as support. There's hidden bullish divergence in the 4 hour. Heck, man, it's not really. Never mind. I was about to say there's hidden divergence. There's nothing. Hold on. Was it the daily? It was the daily. Never mind. The daily showing hidden bullish divergence to some degree. Once this supply line breaks of the high and tight flag, it 6470, 8500 targets up there, man. So there's a lot Tremendous amount of upside on this asset. If it can hold, you don't want anything to do with this asset if it falls below 36.82, because that's when this whole idea becomes invalid, and that happens, man. Nothing's certain. It's all about probabilities, and this looks insanely textbook of Wyckoff accumulation, phase E, the last phase before tremendous markups. Okay? Bueller. All right, that was the wild cards. Let's see what the next request was, though.
Get the OU jerseys ready, Mitch. We are coming
Oh,
for the
yeah,
SEC.
dude. Yeah, right,
Finally
man.
wondering if you would take a look at KNDI. Really believe we are going to see electric cars take over. It's something to consider. Lots of
Yeah, that's why you don't
reasons.
own like a
Wonder
car
what
company.
think.
You just own LAC, LAC, the people that provide the batteries of these cars. Thanks, dude. What's up, Dow Jones?
Peace.
Thanks for the vibe, dude. Billy, there's new rules. You must not have been here. You haven't been here for a while. This is since the beginning of the year. It's been this way. Be like above. All right, next request. Well, Hedra hash graph. Hail Hedra. That is back above the 200-day moving average even today, back testing that support after the engulfing candle a few days ago. Nice. But still got a little work to do. I mean, you got to break above this 25-cent area. You're below it. And just above 25 cents is 30 cents. You break 30 cents, that's where the fireworks begin most likely. You break 30, you could very well go up 25 to 30% in value very fast. So still just no breakout. It has not broken out. It broke one level at 20 cents, but there's just, this is the one where I don't like it that much because there's just too many questions, too many swing highs and swing lows on the daily looking left here. It's so many. There's one at like 33 cents. There's one at like 38 cents. There's one at 40 cents. It's so like, there are many others where you don't ever have to ask questions like you're asking on a Hedra. Like which swing high is it gonna respect really well? I don't know. Too many. Kind of a crappy thing about HBAR. I don't really like it. I get it. It can moon like everything else, but talking about strategizing and having confidence where an asset like assets going like GRT, really confident at 133 to 150 because looking left, there's nothing but a straight line up and a straight line down. That's it. Here, there's straight lines up and down everywhere, man. So that's your HBAR, man. It's just kind of like, I mean, whatever. There's thousands of coins to look at, and this one's just meh. All right, let's see here. Whacked. Oh my God, we're gonna look at WACK, chat. Now we got 31 minutes. Bitcoin's at its session highs, or right around them anyway. What is it? WACK to wrapped ether. What'd you say it was? It was like the inverse. Chart is inverted and paired to 1 Ethereum. Okay. So it's like this. Don't really know because like, is this listing an impulse? Is it considered to market participants an impulse? Because if it is, that's, I don't know, that's bearish consolidation. It could be bullish consolidation if you look at it like this, right? It's like a crazy bull flag or something like that. Chat. Do you hear that? It's the sound of opportunity. Kappa, it's the sound of opportunity that once was, but is now blossoming into tendies. BAL. So I don't know, man. Like, there's such little data on this. What am I supposed to do on the daily? Like, I can't give an analysis that makes any sense. It's like, I don't know. Like, I look at this and like, just not enough data. Sorry. But we'll look at BAL. That did pump, but it hit just now. It just now hit and pulled back already. Multi-month high, its highest level since like June 4th. And on its way to that candle high close of $34.15. I believe that's the first target of the trade setup, maybe. Dude, these Nigerian scammers are on Instagram and YouTube trying to impersonate me. Just know, like, I'm most likely not going to solicit you for anything. I'm not going to follow you on Instagram, most likely. I'm now not following people on Instagram even more because of this, because I don't want people to think that, like, I'm the scammer. What's up, Steak Stud? Thanks, 2031. We'll look at it, man. Hey, the jar full. Let's go, dude. So the big level is upon you. You're on the way. It's not there. I don't know why I had an alert set there kind of randomly maybe and just hit it somehow. There's still about $4 more of upside, 370 of upside still. And then you break that, you're going to 45 bucks. All right. BAL. Nice. This thing has a lot more upside. But you had your chance, man. You had your entry down in the $16 area. This thing has pretty much doubled in value since the trade setup was posted on. I mean, this is what I'm talking about. It's like, should I buy now? You were a joke. Like, you asked, should I buy now? We made fun of you about a month ago because we knew you'd be here asking that question. We're from the past. We knew you'd be here. Alert. One sec. Yeah, man. Okay, it wasn't quite 16. It was a little off, but you could see the thought process. Yeah, you are approaching that first target of trade setup, right? So this was July 24th. Okay. Hey, look at the swing lows. And the swing highs. Those are very real support resistance on the Binance chart. Anyway, you sprung, you back tested the spring, confirmation low, extreme bullish convergence, almost divergence, 1917. And then it was just like, all right, patience. And we're almost there.
The buying indicator for me is when your views drop to like 500. I knew
never got that low. The lowest it got was like
Quadruple
780 or
my
something like that,
Thanks
760.
for everything, Mitch.
Thanks, dude. Y'all broke the jar, by the way. Thanks, dude. Thanks for rubbing it in. I don't know. That's like a passive-aggressive, like, slight. Thanks. Oh, yeah. Let's get a paddock for $275,000. On my way, dude. Here we go. Oh, we got Ethereum futures. Fill in the gap. Okay, for another request. MATIC. Yep, MATIC, dude. Oh, precipice of enormous crossroads. Once 163 breaks, minimum 221. Look at this structure. Very symmetrical momentum shifting structure. Not quite good enough or I don't know, real enough to say that's a shoulder, but it's just, dang, man, beautiful Momo shift. You broke a resistance, you pretty much back tested it, and now you're at the next inflection point, and if you break it, man, again, there could be tremendous upside on MATIC, where it goes up another 35% value, fast, because that is the only history you have. Straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. That's it. Wish there was more to talk about. It's up 2.8%. On the cusp of a major breakout. That's it. Dude, what the kind of song is that, dude? I feel like I'm at a metalworking institution or something. I don't know. Do I believe in UFOs? How do you not believe in UFOs? Unidentified flying objects. You have to believe them because even if you... The question is, do you believe in aliens? I think that's what you mean, right? Hey, it's Ross, man.
Bruh.
Ross.
Ross tipped $25.
What's up, dude?
Allah.
What are we in? Spain, dude? Speaking Spanish now? Thanks, man. Ross, you believe in aliens? How could you not? Like, if you understand the vastness of the universe and like numbers, and we exist, that's all you need to know that aliens exist out there. They're somewhere. They might be microbial. They could be like us. They could be humanoids. They could be something else, man. Building blocks. There are multiple building blocks. Not just made out of carbon, but we're made out of carbon. But I mean, there's theories that like aliens could be formed from silicon, right? And they might just be rocks and stuff, material. I don't know, man. It's very wild. Ross believes in aliens, my man.
Ross tipped $25. Yes.
Thank you, dude. Thank you so much for the 50 in seconds. Thank the biddy, man. Yeah, billions of galaxies, or trillion galaxies. There is something. It's not about there must be something. There is something. We just, you know, the great filter is space and time. All in on aliens. Okay, anyway, so that's it. You set an alert up, because when you get a candle close confirmation above 163, you could be gone, man. More upward buying, you know, more buying pressure could be coming in. Looking left. All right, next one. Weird. Tying it to a DAI stablecoin. Okay, well, that's pretty interesting. It's kind of a little weird though, right? That how is this asset so bad when everything is recovering? This is underperforming real bad, dude. But yeah, there's a shark here. There's a bullish shark, no problem, man. I think, right? 1618. Just about. You're not at the PCZ though. You still got a little bit more downside before it hits that pattern completion zone, right? So yeah, you got a shark there. So all right, let's wait till $210. $210. Set an alert up if you want, but there's no edge. Nothing's implying upside here yet. But it could be a level. It could definitely be like, but it could also go to 113%, right? 113. 117.90 is the maximum threshold for this structure. So listen, I don't know, man. That's it. Yeah. You get a reaction here, then you get a reversal, confirmation low, with bullish divergence. Let's go, dude. Not yet. It's a little too early. But yeah, nice request in terms of something that looks like this. That's cool. That's kind of an anomaly, right, in this market. That doesn't necessarily mean it's a good thing though, because it's such a vast underperformer, right? Yeah, dude, you can't shill your channel in here, dude. I mean, it's just, that's not proper form, it's etiquette. And it seems like you only asked me that question, so you could shill your channel. So it's almost like underhanded and, you know, manipulative kind of behavior. It's not cool, dudes. You're above that. All right, we got 21 minutes. Time to run out the clock because we have, it seems, gotten through all the requests that met the minimum criteria. Woo! Y'all have kept me busy today, man. Hour and 30 minutes until that weekly, daily candle close. And thanks for the 1,080 people tuned in. We got 530 likes. We can get 600 likes in seconds, chat. We can do it. Dang, man. GRT up 8%. Bullish engulfing candle confirmed in 20 minutes. Fall stays the same. That's really good. ICX bullish engulfing candle confirmed in 20 minutes. If all stays the same. After pretty much back testing the May 25th, June 2nd high as support with very little, no overhead resistance looking left for a while. I mean, no overhead resistance really to like $2. Yeah, chat. Hidden bullish divergence to boot, whatever, on the 4 hour. Good. Making me the bad guy, dude. Anytime someone requests and doesn't meet the $20 criteria, it always makes me look like the bad guy. But I'm not the bad guy, dude. There are rules. And they're so clear that it's like, how can you watch this stream and not see it and then go ahead and tip to look at something? people are gonna hate me, and it's like, what? I didn't do anything wrong, man. Okay. So let's go back to Bitcoin. Yeah, Cardano all-time highs. We know, dude. Yes, it is. Let me set an alert up. It is right now. Cardano is pumping. We're gonna not look at Bitcoin. We're gonna look at Cardano first, right? The third largest crypto that exists to mankind right now. $2.66. What's up, Brad Etherington? Thanks for the merch perch. Classic pullover hoodie. Says accumulation. Thanks, Matt. How's Matt going over the 60? He says 600 likes in 60 seconds and he'll tip $600. Chat, you hear that? Wait.
600 likes.
We're already at 600 likes though.
$600.
You need to. We need another number. We're already there, man. Or is he talking about we need 1,200?
Oh, HM is
Oh
Rebase
god,
coin.
that's not possible.
You can't look at a price chart. The market cap chart makes more sense. 0.00500000 ETH.
Dude, Cardano's pumping as I'm speaking to you as you're breathing in the oxygen. Maybe not if you're an alien, you're breathing in something else. We're at all-time highs. Cardano!
Smiley face.
What's up, Marvin? Thanks 2571. Thanks for all the contributions, everybody. Holy crap, man. 737 likes. We're still way off. You gotta, come on, Ross, you gotta give like a reasonable goal because there aren't even 1,200 people watching. So how could we get even that many in that much time? That little time?
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Let's go ADA. All right, so let's see here. We have a couple requests right there. A Rebase coin. You can't look at the price chart. Market cap makes more sense. Okay, I don't. What am I supposed to do there? I'm confused. All right, Martin, dude. You wanted? Yeah, ALGO broke out, right? Yeah. No. Oh, dude. I said it broke out, right? And then I look at it. I'm like, no. It tried to break out yesterday. I'm like, huh? My alert goes off. He tried it again. And look at it. It's below the level of inflation it needs to get above. I don't know. I like it above the June 2nd high, but it's kind of a zone of inflection. And you're just right there, man, above the 200-day moving average, but really struggling. A lot of sell orders up here, obviously. But I think once you absorb the remaining supply here, boom, huge markup in price where you're going to like minimum 158 on ALGO. Triple bottomed. It's just at that level where there would be sell orders, right? Like this is an area where you look, you broke, then you back tested the inflection point as support, and then you went, and now you're just, there's a lot of things going on, right? Inflection points, it's like, think about it, it's like a road. And at inflection points or congestion zones, there's traffic. There's a lot of cars going. There's a lot of people buying. There's a lot of people selling. A lot of people shorting. A lot of people taking profit. A lot of people doing things at levels like, so that's why it's not like, boom, it's mooned already. It tried, but too many sell orders. Too much congestion right now. But soon, maybe, eventually, once it does break, it's gonna go up fast. What's up, Najee, man? Thanks for the threes. Says, let's go. Dang, man, 777 likes. Thanks for that. Now, we'll hear the beep. We will hear the beep if Cardano actually keeps going. Okay, was that the next one? And then it was... I mean, I don't know what I'm supposed to... Simp, man. Liquidate simp. I don't know what you want to do with that information. Is there a market cap chart? Is there an OHM market cap chart? I don't know. Like OHM.D, which I think is probably going to be terrible, right? No, there's no OHM.D. Why is my alert not going off? Because it... Huh? Dude, it's right there. Yes, it is at its highest point it's ever seen in history of mankind. What a close to the week, chat. 14 minutes and 45 seconds. Running out the clock. It's been a good stream so far. A lot of stuff covered. You broke the jar. Look at it. It's terrible. It can't even figure it out. Yeah, we got the full moon crazy psycho pump. Perfect timing. And then, right, the news that broke about 30, 40 minutes ago, Bitcoin or PayPal is, you know, unveiling or releasing crypto buying and selling for the UK or for Europe, right? Something like that. That is momentous. I mean, that's so, and Bitcoin pumped on it too. So what does that mean? When a news-driven catalyst comes out and an asset pumps on it, sentiment's good again. If you haven't noticed, all these news-driven catalysts keep coming out the past 5 weeks, 6 weeks now. Like these like it's all these institutions adopting, you know, like, or create, you know, they're adopting crypto in their own ways, like creating derivatives, their own ETFs. They're trying to get these things going, man. You got like all the, like MasterCard's got like an incubator for, you know, crypto startups. Dude, it's like every company now is doing something blockchain or crypto, and just every day. Whoever wasn't is now, right? Yes, they flipped the crypto media switch pretty much. Yeah, because it was blitzkrieg of bearishness during the drawdown, but now it's inversed. So it's like,
See what happens, Larry?
that's pretty much it, dude. Yeah, that's a meme. That's very real. Look at me, I am the midst right now. The Nigerian scammers. That's right, man. So anyway, dude, I'm just, you know, we're looking. Hey, we got crazy stuff going on literally right now on Cardano. It's like a pump stream. But you have not just Cardano pumping. You have basic attention token about to engulf bullishly, nearing a major breakout point where it could go up substantially if it breaches. You got Band that will have the highest daily candle close since May 20th in 12 minutes. Not only that, it will be breaching a level of inflection that would take it to 1150. So from the breakout on Band, more upside, 19 to 20% upside from here. But this is the trade setup was posted. You're way up on this trade right now. Way up. I am, anyway. I took this one. And it's not done. It's got a long way to go. So now let's go to, you know, whatever. OXT is up 20% still. Can't break that 200-day moving average. It's very close to the next levels. 53 to 56 cents. What's up, man? What's up, Sunnyside? I thought it had. Thought this cycle it had been dry.
0.0050000000 ETH.
I mean, OTC now is like PayPal and Square and MicroStrategy, like every day. What, there's like 900 Bitcoins minted, and they're just gobbled up. They're auto purchased every day.
Causing more buying on exchanges.
So there you go. It's lower than it's ever been, really. I think the OTC for Bitcoin. Yeah, Kaba Moon Boy, let's go, man. Going Super Saiyan God.
Kava Moon Boy tipped $24.24. Should I buy Kava now?
Probably be
Feels
okay,
good,
but
man.
no. Remember that time that we identified the harmonic and then it looked different. It looked better than everything else. The 3 rising valleys, even though it wasn't, it was like, it was a classic accumulation structure, Moon Boy. How your tendies doing? I know you're doing real well, sitting fat over there. Feels chubby, man, right? We'll look at it, which is, yeah, Kava, man, dude. This was such a beast. Bust. We knew the Gartley was gonna bust before it even happened. All it did at the PCZ was react, pulled back, and tested the old all-time high from August of last year as support. That was identified, and since it gained, market participants gained confirmation that the old all-time high was support, it's up 50% in 2 weeks. Nowhere else in the world can you find gains like this, and traditional technical analysis makes it to where you can take advantage of these huge pumps. Cardano, highest high of all time, first target 286, the 1.272, the previous high to low. That's how we anchored our Fibonacci targets, Fibonacci extensions up here. Okay, Wow. Up 10.68%. Highest levels ever. 9 minutes till the close. We'll see if Bitcoin can really close strong, because I want to check that weekly and see where we're at on the RSI. Are we going to be above 60 on a close? That would be almost legendary. All right, so Kava's got a long way to go, dude. I'm gonna add another alert, I guess. So we just keep going. I'm just gonna keep coming back to it. We'll go back to Kava so you can know, like, the pattern completion zone for Kava is 1193, and no, this has not changed. This has been the same thing. We like talked about the Garley. If it fails, it's going to, you know, to almost $12. Hit a high of 890, 889. Beautiful. What a day it's been so far, chat. What a weekend. The weekend warriors prevailed. Here's Bitcoin on the daily. What another narrow range. That hidden bullish divergence has only begun. The positive momentum has only begun to build. There's no overhead resistance until $50,000, and you have, or it's $50,300 technically. Oh wow, holy crap. Fancy dinner. Okay. I think I might do that. Okay. Going into close. We got running on the clock now. 7 minutes, 30 seconds. All right. I'm hanging out with him. What's in the Flores? Thanks for he's going Super Saiyan God too.
Bruh.
Theta.
Nefarious Technology tip $24.24. Have I missed you covering Theta? It's doing something.
Is
Happy
it?
weekly can't be close.
Hold on. I think I've. This is not the one I've been updating. I don't know. Hold on. Oh yeah, it was not. This is the one I've been. It's doing things. Hidden bullish divergence recently. Yes, it's playing out, but it's not really making higher highs. So, but it's still, yeah, very much in the uptrend. And the target still is like 845. It almost hit it and pulled back. That's still your target. You broke a supply line that was visible on the daily. Yeah, the daily, man. It's like a crazy, supply line's broken. The target 845. It did hit on the daily. This is like HEX almost. Weirdness of the 4 hour and the daily not showing up, the wicks. So you break 844, $10. You break $10, you're probably going up to $15. Mega uptrend. Confirmation low. That's it. It's not, I don't think it's doing things. Up 0.97% today. But yeah, it's been uptrending like many other things since the bottom, July 21st. And it's not above the 200-day moving average. It's below it, and it's going to close below it. So don't you really want to see the asset get a daily candle close above it for real? You haven't yet. So underperforming pretty bad. A lot of other coins, right? 1,000 likes for candle close? Not possible, right? Dang, man. We're like 200 likes off from 1,000. So we could do that. Maybe. I don't know. Ask Ross. Ross would probably be the catalyst. Meh. Right. Anything above 620 is probably good. 626. So Boshi. Storage. Yep. Oh, is it?
Store just is back above critical resistance and back to support.
It is, man. Dude, chat, you can talk about something that might be actionable now is storage, right? Storage is, you're right, there's an inflection point that is oh so critical. It is the neckline. In my opinion, it's way more important than some sort of downswing resistance broken. If you're above 130, 129, the upside target's 186. The upside potential percentage-wise right now as I'm speaking to you is 42%. Yeah. Someone could have like a stop loss just below this mini swing low you saw August 18th and let it ride to much higher levels. That's it. The lowest risk area was obviously the spring back test. right? The hidden bullish divergence on that swing low. That was the lowest risk. You can't, unfortunately, nothing we can do now but look at the next levels, and you're at it, and you're above it, and you're back testing it successfully as a support, as you re-broke back above it yesterday, the day before. Back test, and above the 200-day moving average. Yes, very real on storage. This is an opportunity. Lower risk opportunity here. Yes, nice.
Bruh.
That's right. I like totals, chat. I like totals a lot. 3 minutes. We're almost there. Let's go to well, let's look at total one more time. One more total. What I mean, like, is this not chart? Like, this is like NFT stuff. This uptrend and how well respected it is. It's beautiful. It's the Jesus channel, all right? And it's about to breach that heart line again. Unreal. 2.21 trillion, 2.3 trillion. All right, so let's go to Bitcoin. Let's check out that weekly. Let's see how we are on the RSI. That is, the eyes of the nation are upon us. The eyes of the world. Oh my God, it's so close, but it's so far away. Here it is. Here's your weekly on Bitcoin. Currently sitting at, technically, 59.77-ish. You're not there. Right, you'd have to be probably at 50,000 to see this. Or maybe next week we'll get it. But chat, I'm sorry, doesn't look like it's gonna happen. You're local on the 8s though. Yeah, I have an alert set up on the RSI too. So it's like if we're breaching 60, I'm gonna hear a beep. Making it really, really close. Right there. And again, no overhead resistance until 57,500 on this time scale. And if anyone was trying to be like cute about this or devil's advocate, they'd be like, no man, there's a swing low that's discernible on the weekly from the week of April 19th. Well, no, you broke it now. So now what are you gonna say, devil's advocate? Nothing. You're gonna shut up because there's nothing now on the weekly. Not even a low, because you're about to close above it in 1 minute and 20 seconds. And the positive, dude, that is glorious. This is exactly what you want to see. All right. So strong, man. The only thing that is bearish is one oscillator on one time scale, and it's the RSI. It has been a crazy year. But what a year, what a life-changing year it's been. And last year was too. Both years. So crazy. All right, 20 seconds, chat. I'm just here, and thanks for the 1,224 people tuned in. You know, I mean, we could get 1,000 likes, but I know, whatever. Well, I don't think we've had 1,000 likes since maybe like August, the beginning of the month, or maybe sometime, maybe it was like this 26th of July. It's, you know. All right, there it is. Jesus chimes. A new week has been born. We didn't quite close above or at 60 on the weekly RSI, but dang, we're close. Dude, is that jar 16180 right now? No way. It almost looks like the jar is 16180. Fib extension. I'm fibbing the jar right now, chat. Nope. I don't think it's possible. I think it's impossible to 1618. We've done 1.4. It's a 1.4. It's exceeding a 1.414 fib extension on the jar. But dang, man, we've never been able to get the jar to that golden mean ratio. I don't think it's possible. Anyway, nice attempt though. So on this new week, with PayPal announcing, you know, the unveiling of people in the UK can now buy and sell crypto, that is very nice. I mean, it's so nice of a catalyst. You could see that taking us to 57.5, right? Something like that. So it's a new week, and you know, I'm gonna go get some dinner. A friend invited me over, and he's the DJ. He's like, he owns his own distillery, but he's also the DJ. Hung out with that fateful last Friday, last time I drank alcohol. God, and you know, he said fancy dinner. I'm like, all right, cool. So thanks for the likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. If we see $50,000, don't be surprised, man, right? Because there's nothing there till 50,300 technically, overhead resistance wise. Dude, what am I supposed to do? We're at 930 likes now, so it's like 70 away. We could get it out. We'll just do it, man. Let's just get it over with. I'll be live till 1,000 likes, right? No one's going anywhere till 1,000 likes. You read my mind. I mean, like, how do you, when you're this close, you're sunk. Heck yeah, Mike, man. Oh my God, dude. What a freaking week. And Bitcoin is rallying at the beginning of this week. It's going to pull back. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. It's the beginning of the day, beginning of the week. But dang, man, it's at $49,425 already. Oh, God, we did it. 1,000 likes. Jesus chimes.
I just felt like streaming.
Very nice. Thank y'all. All right, man. We did it. So I'll just it's hard. It's just like, what happens if you catch the immediate pump, the rare, because it's like not really common that you just immediately just start pumping on the new week and new day. So all right, I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my Sunday evening. I advise you to do the same. Just have your alerts set up, right? You want to hear, you enjoy your evening and you have a beep above 49,000. What was it? 49,860. Then we're at multi-month highs. We're on our way to 50K. Could be glorious. All right. Beautiful, beautiful channel. Oh, I mean, it's a little, like, you know, late now. There's a Discord link. What about GRT, dude? It's fine. Charizard, relax. Heisenberg says relax. Okay. Thanks for everything. I love y'all. I will be back some other time. Who knows when, right? These conditions. That's why you need to be in the Discord to get notified, because YouTube will fail and you'll miss the stream. So I'll be back. Until next time, respect the T. Hey. I know I'm gonna regret the crap out of this, man. Just the way it looks and feels right now. Maybe not, but I'm heading out. Gonna go get some dinner, walking over to the friend's place, and in before 50K while I'm literally over there. Anyway, all right, love y'all, Kings.
Where you go, I'll go. Want it all, every piece. Need that feeling I get when you're next to me. Where you go, I'll go. Wanna spend my nights falling in your eyes so deep. I know you'll catch me. Brush your skin on mine, paint outside the line so free. The way you love me, we've been high and low. But we're gold, oh we're gold. Never let you go. 'Cause I know.
My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
I have some evidence Manbear Pig could be in this area.
I don't know, sir.
And then, just like that,
Adios, turd nuggets.